Get into table position with your knees and toes flexed and in contact with the floor. Your hips should be over your knees, your hands should be slightly wider than your shoulders, and your shoulder blades should be protracted away from the spine and down away from your ears. Grip the ground with your hand and rotate your shoulders outwards to engage the large triangular back muscles, your lats. Straighten your legs to lift your knees off the ground so you end up in plank position, your legs hip width apart. Engage your shoulders and hips and your core. Your ribs should be down and your pelvis should be slightly tucked. Your chin should remain tucked throughout the movement, as if you were holding an egg under your chin. Bring your right foot in between your hands. Your right knee should remain bent at 90-degree angle and your right foot should be flat. Your left leg should be slightly bent or fully extended without hyperextending the knee. Squeeze your left glutes while keeping your weight evenly distributed. Then slowly take your right foot back to once more be in plank position. And from here, you can come back to table pose.